Hi, my name's Belinda. Welcome to my channel. I'm 43 and I love everything about beauty, hair products, makeup, skincare, everything. So I wanted to share with you and give some reviews on some products that I've been trying and share a few tips and ideas that I've come across. Absolutely no expert at any of this, and I have to apologise for the quality of the film. It's just done on an iPad, so the colour isn't always great and the sound's not. So if you like anything beauty, keep watching. Thanks then. So I just want to talk to you today a little bit about Retouch, which is something I discovered quite a few months ago actually. So I do go to the hairdressers and get my hair highlighted, but I also in between do it myself. So at the minute it needs doing, and I've got, if you can see, about a good inch of growth there. And my hair's gone very blonde, a bit too blonde. So I don't like to get it highlighted too much. Now I'm getting a bit older, my hair is getting very brittle and fine. So in between I use a thing called Retouch to spray on there, and it just means you don't have to go to the hairdressers quite so often, which obviously saves you money and saves me damaging my hair with the bleach. So I'll just show you the products that I've got. I've got the Loreal Magic Retouch. In fact, it's called Magic Retouch. I thought it was called Retouch. And then I've also got the mascara, which I've not tried this one yet, so I'll just quickly show you that. And the colour I've gone for is light golden blonde. So the mascara, I would use on the sides. Oh my god, that's not the best. That is very messy. I've never used it before. Won't probably be using it again. Magic Retouch. This is in light golden blonde. You get it in all different shades. They do it in blonde, I presume black, brown, all those sort of colours. And I just spray directly. If you can see now, I think that light's a bit better. So that's very blonde, but darker. And then I've got the growth there and then a bit lighter. So if I spray in, just don't go too crazy because a lot comes out. It's very pigmented. But that now, it's probably a little bit dark there. Brushes out, but that will see me through the day without having to get my hair done again. So you can get this in Boots, Superdrug, most chemists. I tend to try and wait until it goes on an offer because I think full price it's about £6.99, £7.49, but quite often you can do the old buy one get one half price, and they actually, this size is 75ml, but they do a big one as well, which sometimes goes on an offer. So if you want something just to see you through, certainly give this a go.